Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove oil stains. I learned this hack from my aunt, may her soul rest in peace. Like this one or this one. So if you have clothing that has this type of material, sometimes it can be your deodorant if it's oil-based. Oil from the kitchen, your Vaseline, just any oil product that you might be using. These oils can ruin your outfit, but no more because now you know how to remove it. So this is what that stain is looking like. This right here was ground beef. Ground beef got on this pants right here. And then this one was oil from cooking at Christmas. So this is the dress, what that looked like. All right, you're going to add baby powder on the spot that has the oil. And you're gonna just rub that in. I like to let it sit until I'm ready to do the laundry again. Because guess what? This dress was washed. It was washed, but I forgot to do this step. I just put it in there. I didn't remember it was on here. And then I'm also going to do the same thing with the pants right here. And then you are just going to toss it into the wash. And especially with this type of material, I like to use my hands to kind of rub it together before I toss it in the wash. I rub it, but this time around I didn't. But especially with the chiffon, rub it with your hands before you put it in the wash. So in they go. And then this is what they are actually looking like. So this is the dress before, and this is the dress after. Stain gone. And this is the pants, what that was looking like before. And this is what the after was looking like for the pants. If you do try this, please let us know. These oil stains will make you toss an outfit to the side. What do you use? Do you try something else?
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.